A very good morning to class 4. Class 4. Last week we have started a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Do Not Be Miserly, in which we learned that saving money is good, but only saving money is not a good habit. In this, you have learned about the miserly merchant who was in habit only to save the money, and one day he decided to keep this box under the ground where some of the crooks were have a eye on it, and they simply taken it from there. And from which story we have learned, moral of the story, too much concern for money is not good. I have told you to read the next portion, that is saving money. Saving money is a good habit, but only saving money like that merchant is not good. So how you have to save money? How you saving money will be useful? Neeru and Jyoti were twin sisters. Neeru and Jyoti were twin sisters. Though they looked identical, they were quite different. See, by looking at face, they both are looking very similar, but their habits may be different. Neeru was a quiet and a responsible girl. See, she was very punctual. On the contrary, Jyoti was just opposite to her. Means maybe two person, if they are twins, look similar, they are identical, but their habits may be different from each other. Neeru loved saving money. She had a piggy bank in which she saved all the leftover coins of her bus fare or lunch money. Jyoti hardly put anything into it. She spent all her money on eating or buying useless things. So, she is Jyoti who never cared to save some money that maybe money will be used sometime or somewhere when it is very useful. So, she always spend her money in eating unhealthy food, chips, kurkure, what like you people eat. So she is very of that kind. She teased Neeru. What's wrong with you, sister? I don't think putting pennies into that stupid bank will help you, but yourself thinks like I do. So what she was telling her, that when you put all your money into this piggy bank, this is useful. Buy yourself things like I do. So she is teaching her that what is the use of keeping pennies into this? Spend it. Buy something. However, Neeru would reply politely. It was add up one day, you will see. So she always answered her in a very polite manner that you see, one day these money are going to add up and it will help me. Days passed by. 4 days before their mother's birthday, Jyoti wondered what she could gift her mother. Now, they both were twins, but before their mother's birthday, they are thinking to give something to their mother. But Jyoti wondered because she do not have money. So she decided to make a birthday card for her. Okay. Oh, there is still much time left for her birthday. I will make a card for her birthday later, she thought. Because she don't have money, Jyoti, so she decided to make a birthday card. But that also she was thinking of to do one day. Now time is left, so she again ignored it. Okay, oh. But she forgot. The day before her mother's birthday, Jyoti hunted the whole house for paper and crayons, but she could not find anything. She said to herself, oh, it doesn't matter. I will wish her. She will be happy. Thinking, she went to bed. So this Jyoti is very lethargic girl. She don't want to do anything. She was only thinking to do the thing other day. Next day, that so many 4-5 days are left to my mother's birthday. I will prepare the card later on. What happened the previous day? She was wondering for the crayons and papers here and there, but she was unable to get it. Then she thought that she will wish mother. Now, what happened? Next morning, both the sisters woke up early to wish their mother. Jyoti said, "Happy birthday, Mani," and hugged and kissed her mother. So her mother replied, "Thank you, darling, you remembered my birthday," replied her mother. Now Neeru also wished her mother, "Happy birthday, mom." She gave her a bouquet of red roses along with a card. See, this is a bouquet of roses along with this birthday card. She gave. Mother, read the card aloud. Lots of love from Neeru and Jyoti. She has written this. Okay. So, what she has done, Neeru, she have not ignored her sister. She written her name also there. She written her name also there in the bouquet. Then their mother was delighted. Putting the rose in a vase, she said, "You two are my sweet, lovely roses. How did you manage to buy these roses?" Mother asked. Then Neeru replied, "We saved the pocket money, mother." "Smart girls," said their mother smilingly. Later that day, Jyoti thanked Neeru. She was thanking her sister. Putting her name in the card, she hugged Neeru and said, "You were right. Pennies which are saved really add up. From today, I will also save my money." So now what is the moral of the moral of the story? Take care of your pennies. They will grow into pounds. So if you start adding one coin a day, one day that money is going to be a add up money with that amount which you can spend or use appropriately. Now, saving money is a dash habit. By saving money, we take care of our dash needs. The rich merchant was a big dash. This fill up and true false you have to do yourself, and I will send you also the answers of this. First you utilize your brain to do this, then what answer I will send, you simply match your answers, and you are going to get question answers also by Monday, because I am giving you one day time to utilize your brain, do this fill up and true false by yourself, and then I will send you. Okay, or today I will send you this. You have to do it in your copy. Later on I will send you the question answers also, so that you can write up in your copy. Take care, children. Bye bye.